Hey everybody, and welcome to Technology and Toys, and today's video is going to be an unboxing of GoPro's brand new Hero 7 Black. Take a look on the box. It's a 12 megapixel shooter. You can go up to 4K at 60 frames per second. It can do 1080p at 240 frames per second. It's water resistant up to 33 feet or 10 meters. It's got some voice commands that you can use. It's got an app that you can use on your phone. 8x slow-mo, GPS functionality, some HDR, hyper smooth, so I guess that's like optical stabilization, and I guess you can live stream from it. And it tells you what comes in the box. You obviously get the GoPro, the case for it, a couple clips and mounts, a cable, the screw, and a battery. So I haven't unboxed GoPros in the past. I haven't looked at videos doing it, but I think most of them come the same way. You know, you've got this little plastic thing with a GoPro clip on it, and the device itself is right here, and then attached to it is the box with everything else in it. Take the camera itself off the box before I open what's in the bottom. When we open it, we're greeted with some paperwork. It shows you how to take it in and out of the case, swap out the battery and your memory card. It shows you how to charge it. Get the GoPro stickers. That's always nice. And a nice fat booklet of product information and safety instructions. And underneath this fold you have your helmet mounts. And then under this fold you get a charging cable, USB 3.0 to USB Type-C. I don't know if that's new on the Hero 7 or if that's been a thing for a while. And you get the battery. I'll stick all of our info back in, throw that all off to the side, and here's the camera itself. I'm gonna take it out of its little harness. Give it to me. Give it to me. So the camera itself is about the size of pretty much every other GoPro I've seen. I have a Hero 4 Black here, and the dimensions are pretty much the same. It does have a touchscreen built into it, so you don't need first or third party attachment. Button placement seems to be just about the same. Battery compartment is about the same. And charging and everything is under here. So yeah, if you pop that out, you have your HDMI out and your charger. The SD card slot has been relocated from older versions. So if I push in on this button on the bottom, and I push out, it lifts up, and this is where you put the battery in, and then this little slit right here is where your SD card slot is, so you would put that in. To put the battery in, you line it up, slide it in, close it, and you press the button to turn it on. It says Black 7 on the screen. It tells you your battery life, whether or not you have an SD card in it, and then I believe the res that you're shooting at. You can change modes as well, and then you have your viewfinder on the back. You can change the positioning, you can set up like timers and everything. You can swipe time-lapse, video, photo. You can change your FOV to wide or linear. Your super photo, you can choose RAW or Pro Tune. And video settings are, you can change the aspect ratio up in this top corner from 16:9 to 4:3. You can change your res from 960p to 1440p to 2.7K to 4K. And then you can go anywhere from 24 FPS to 240 FPS. And then your time lapse, you can do either 5x, 10x, or 15x. You can have your wide FOV. So for time lapse, if you have your aspect ratio set to 4:3, you get two options for shooting. You get a 1440p option and a 2.7K. But if you switch it to 16:9, you get 1080p and 4K, which is pretty interesting. I guess in video 1440p is only available in 4:3, so that's an interesting thing to look at. And if you look closely, it tells you your battery percentage. You can see my messy ish studio because it's got a wider field of view. But here's just another quick side-by-side comparison from the Hero 7 and the Hero 4. This is just because these are the only two that I have on hand. And the outside is pretty much all rubber except for the lens, the display, and the touch display on the back. Your indicator light is up here instead of over here. This is just an unboxing video. I'll have this linked down in the description below at GoPro's website. It is $399, which sounds like a lot, but it's a GoPro, the gold standard of action cameras. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, as well as turn on notifications so that way you get notified when I post my next video. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys. Until the next video, I'll see you later. Goodbye.